Magandang gabi sa inyong lahat. Ako po si Bong Ratsak ng Tribe Ecology Incorporated at narito kami ngayon sa coffee project ng Show Boulevard, Mandaluyong City upang pipirma kami ng Memorandum of Agreement. Sa taga-taga na pinag-uusapan itong Memorandum of Agreement dahil ngayon na magkatotoo na sa ating business partner na si President and Chief Executive Officer Jojo Vittorio ng Vittorio Enterprises under ng Vittorio Artists and Management Corporation. Ano masasabi mo, partner?
Anyway, thank you for this opportunity. I'm looking forward for the growth of our partnership, and I'm looking forward that the two of us will be number one in the Philippines from there on. We will penetrate also the global markets. By the way, to explain further, my company is called Victory Artists and Management Corporation. There are two umbrellas. One is the modeling agency, wherein we manage artists, celebrities, beauty queens, and models. And the other one is the enterprises, wherein we distribute beauty products, perfumes, colognes, and other beauty products available in the markets. At the moment, we have products available in different malls, in Bicol, Masbate, and Nueva Ecija. And we will expand more. And with the presence and partnership with Thai people, we are hoping and it's going to happen to the help of generous, helpful Bangladesh, also Thai Ecology Incorporated. I'm excited. It's a partnership and it's very professional. I'm thankful ako dahil it took us long to finalize sa Memorandum of Agreement contract signing. Thank you.
Sa mga Tribe people, go lang. Laban lang tayo. Memorandum of Agreement signing.
Okay.
So, Memorandum of Agreement na ito ay isang pinirmahan para sa pagkakaisa, pagtutulungan at pakikipagkapwa-tao sa lahat ng members ng Tribe Ecology Incorporated at saka sa mga direct seller business enterprise ni Vittorio Enterprise. So, hindi lang dito nagtatapos sa pirmahan na ito. Kailangan natin magsipag, magsunog ng kilay, i-drive natin ang community natin para papasok sa ating business entity. Maraming salamat at sana tangkilikin nyo ang Vittorio Enterprises para sa ating pangkabuhayan, negosyong mabangong pangkabuhayan.
Thank you. Thank you, Bong.
Okay.
Ang tulong tayong dalawa is commitment on my part. And obviously, we're not only tackling Luzon, Visayas, and Mindanao. I guess I said earlier, but it's gonna be global. And I promise to work hard, conceptualize hard. This will be for the benefit of all the members, and of course, we will be doing some promotional items later on, even a competition.
Yes.
So, I said, we are focus driven, results oriented, and we are very professional.
Thank you very much.